Hello, beautiful Agatha Mind family. Welcome again to another wonderful update. Thank you so dearly for always supporting. I really appreciate. If you are just coming across this wonderful family for the first time, or you are seeing my face for the first time, I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress, bringing you the news back to back. Remember, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed in the comment section. So carry your popcorn. Let's dive into what's happening today.
My good people for good BBC Pidgin on a good morning. We dey come to on a live from Ishiokpo Street, D-Line, Port Harcourt, where fire disaster happened, and the fire they so massive say it don't burn down some properties. You know, starting from this place where we dey now where this fire starts. As una dey see am so na so the thing dey. Presently, fire marshals from the Federal Fire Service then they here and they try to put off the fire, but so far now waiting our eyes they see koro for here. These now some of the damages that way don't happen, and several buildings they affected. But now from here where the fire starts. Now from here the fire starts. See fire marshals from Federal Fire Service, they still dey ground. Now around 11 p.m. yesterday night we will begin here of fire outbreak.
So the fire comes before that 11.
Okay, okay, you there when the thing happened. Beg, tell us how this fire started.
Don't interview me. Yeah, this BBC, please take it to this one. I'm not heated, so cut that part.
Okay.
I've already done my clinic. Since 8 o'clock we've been here, 8 to 9.
No, when this fire started yesterday.
That's when I capture.
Okay.
When we came here after 9.
After 9.
Yeah, yes.
Yesterday night.
Turn your face now.
Okay. Okay.
Wanna try?
Okay, this one now one of the fire marshals. Madam, good morning. Yes, I beg just talk to us small. When una come and
Madam, what will be the issue?
no, BBC will they find out how this fire carry happen, and you know how una start the fire fight.
Just come in here, but you can see my men were able to fight the fire hasty. So please, you should know that the firemen are always on ground to do their job effectively. So there's not any issue. So far, since we're able to control the fire, not to spread to other buildings, and so on.
Okay, so which time on I reach here?
I can't ascertain the time that they turn out to be the same, but I knew that they called me there was a serious fire outbreak, and sometimes because of the nature of the road in Port Harcourt, so that was it. But the most important thing is you were here on time to make sure to fight the fire.
Okay.
From this arch, where they
Okay. Madam, I see say you dey fully kitted. Around which time when I reach here?
A few minutes past 9.
Okay, so how the fire be, and I don't find out wetin cause the fire.
Basically, we were told that something exploded, and then it began to spread to different properties around. So that's what happened. So we came and we did our best, and by the grace of God, the fire has been stopped.
Any casualties?
No, we didn't record any casualties.
Okay. So for now, no. Okay.
Okay, now BBC Pidgin, we know get
I
casualties.
wonder if they tell them come for inspection, they send a letter to them, they will not
No, I
like
think
to
one extinguisher not there for this place.
one extinguisher.
The company is not functioning now.
Okay.
Come, if you want to
I see say you be
if you want
eyewitness.
to see extinguishers, see them here.
I see say you be eyewitness.
Come and see the extinguishers. With eyewitness.
You dey okay now? So tell us what happened now.
The fire service did not come in time. We don't have a functioning fire service in this state.
What are you seeing over there?
Huh?
What are you seeing over there?
Is
it not Federal Fire Service and the other truck you're seeing there?
Yes, if it
What do you
wasn't
mean?
for the federal didn't respond.
Wait, I want to
When
ask
it
you.
was down,
Did
I was
they
the first
respond?
person. I was
Did they respond?
Which people?
Oh, you want the one that the fire to disappear and appear at the same time?
No. He's talking to our favor. He said state fire service.
The state fire service is not functioning.
If it's not for this federal, this whole place would have burned down. The state fire service, we went there, they said there's no vehicle.
What our governor doing?
So Oga, come tell us, abeg, calm down, just tell us wetin happen, how this fire carry start.
How the fire carry start? Madam, I don't know. I just call here see fire. I saw the fire be. As you see fire, we begin quench am.
Around which time?
Madam, I don't know. See my body. I know where watch sef.
So now wetin we see for here, all these things, e don go finish. Madam, if you tell us wetin happen. Okay, but wetin you see and how?
Like what I saw here now, everything here is burnt down. And the people staying around, they are all crying because there's no hope. Some of them lost their certificate. They lost so many goods worth of millions. In fact, it's uncountable. Everybody is just crying. That is just it. There's nothing to say much about.
But anybody die?
There's no death recorded. Everybody came out alive.
Okay. You dey live around here too?
I stay within, not too far from this place.
Okay. So now around which time I begin hear this fire?
Should be within to 12. Okay. 11 to 12.
Now I begin hear of the fire.
Yes.
So I don't know wetin cause am.
Nobody, I'm not aware. I don't know what caused the fire. But they said there is no NEPA light all this area. So what really motivates the fire to come up? Nobody knows.
But this place, what did they keep for here now? Because if they see tankers and something like that.
It's a company, so I don't know what they store in their warehouse. This is a warehouse. It's a company on its own. Then there are staffs walking around.
Okay, thank you very much. So now what we see? You see the firemen, they here, they fight the fire. But all these things, you don't go finish. The firemen where they here now, men from the Federal Fire Service. Now then where they here, so they fight this fire. When we come this morning, now what we see. But this fire, from what we gather, it starts around 11 p.m. Though some people say they come here around 9 o'clock. But now for 9 to begin hear something about the fire disaster will happen. But now we see them, then they fight the fire.
Don't pour water inside this fire.
So they fight it in as much as it's not this thing. Listen, because what I'm saying is like it's more of a let's say they do oil and all those that can carry this in there.
See the situation for here.
But from what I can say,
From what I can say,
I'm a reporter from the BBC.
BBC, okay.
Yes, sir.
what I can say is, if you as a government official or any other government official had all this information at 10 o'clock, and you could not help, we know we don't have a fire service, but call other companies to help us. That's all we needed. That's all. And what is possible? It's not a possible thing, because Shell said they will have helped if we had anybody to contact them. And what is the person? Our commissioners, our directors, they could contact them, they know them. For instance, let's say you said Channel contacted you. Channel has contacted you. Director of Shell, his number must be with someone somewhere. And you just tell him, please, our people in Asia are dying. We need help. No, Shell will not.
Excuse me.
Shell will not.
Excuse me, sir.
We contacted them.
Can you hear me, sir?
Because they needed permission.
Can you hear me, sir?
Oh, yes, sir.
As a state,
Thank
we
you.
did what we were supposed to do.
Okay.
I contacted the state director of fire.
Immediately.
But he had no
Excuse me.
equipment now.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I contacted the state director of fire.
Thank you, sir.
Immediately. The state director of fire contacted Federal Fire Service. Contacted Federal Fire Service.
After they come here, after they
Can you hear me?
I'm hearing you, sir.
They contacted them immediately.
Correct.
And this to tell you that the state is proactive. We did that, and it was the state, the Federal Fire Service that mobilized to the scene. We contacted all the IOCs. The IOCs need permission from their management to come here.
And you couldn't get it.
I couldn't get it.
So we would have finished
The
now. That's what we are
independent, the
saying.
independent oil companies.
Yes,
I couldn't get because they are independent.
That is
They are not. Can you hear me?
But sir,
Okay, maybe I'm not.
Okay,
you are
okay,
not ready to
sir.
listen.
Okay, sir, you said you are not the one in
You are
charge.
not ready
You're
to
not the one
listen.
of
I'm
special
trying to talk
duties
to
now.
you and you are not listening.
Okay, I'm sorry.
There
I'm
is
sorry,
a
sir.
problem
I'm sorry,
on
sir.
ground,
Okay.
and we've been able as a state to
No,
do
let's not play,
our.
let's not play politics.
So you don't play. You don't.
Let our lives are involved. Let them talk.
Your life was involved.
Yes.
What is the cause of the fire here? What are the activities they were doing here that caused this fire?
That is your own
Listen,
duty to know
listen.
now.
You as a neighbor, you are a neighbor. Listen
no,
now.
but you're
Excuse
government, you
me.
know.
Excuse me.
Will you say you don't know if at all?
You as a neighbor that live in this neighborhood,
In
have
a-
you
if a
informed
close
government
friend.
what they are doing here that caused this fire? What do they do here that
Do you
caused this
know?
fire?
Do you know? Tell me, please.
What
I
do they
don't
do here?
know.
The preliminary
I don't
report
know.
we have is that they have been doing bunkering activities.
That is what we will come.
That is the preliminary report we have.
I will not
and
know
as
that.
a state, those of you who live here should have been patriotic enough to be able to know what your neighbors are doing and report appropriately. You failed in doing that, and you are blaming government. As government, we
You
receive.
failed. You
yes,
failed.
all
You
of you
failed.
who are
You
neighbors, you
government.
failed.
You have police agencies. You have not you know
My
that
dear
you
brother,
you too you
there
know.
is a
You
problem.
know.
And let's understand
You
the
know.
problem. The state is very responsible, and we have done what we are supposed to do as a state. I'm here this morning.
Yeah.
I am here this morning because I got this report late last night. And as government officers, I may not come out at 2 a.m. when I got this report. This morning, I am here to see things on myself. The report I got about this incident, because we have a state government has a gas pipeline here that pass directly behind this railway. We have a 17-kilometer gas pipeline with about 50 million cubic feet of gas in that pipeline. So our first concern was, could this be from an explosion from the pipeline? And then, if it is, what do we do? So I contacted the company to go and depressurize that line almost immediately. And that was done before they came back here to discover that it was not from our pipeline. And I've got a report that this fire was as a result of unwholesome, unpatriotic, illegal activities that have been going on in this neighborhood.
Okay, but sir,
So I don't really know why. These days, if you notice what is going on right now in Nigeria, you will know that there is something more to this. Every day there is one issue or the other. Today is tanker, tomorrow is foreigners, tomorrow is house that is collapsed, next week is something different. And this one right now happened in Port Harcourt, Biafraland. So to say, everybody need to be watchful right now, because you need to know the next person that is living close to you or what that person is doing. Right now, everybody is a suspect. The scenes or the blooding process in Nigeria is too much. Honestly, that is why you see that there is a lot of things that is going on that is not right. Everybody need to be careful. This is the time for people to create awareness and know that they need to end that country. Honestly, things are not working. Every day they make sure in one way or the other to reduce people, innocent people. That is just that target. I am telling you. So my wonderful family, I just brought this to you that this happened in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. So my wonderful family, do well to share this video, like and subscribe, create the awareness. This is bringing to us from BBC PIDGIN, and I am here as AGATHA Progress here on YouTube to react on this video. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.